I'm sitting in an 05 Ford Freestyle. I am going to program an IKT key to this. The remote part is going to be done via onboard programming. The key is going to be done with the tester, and we're also going to pull the keypad code on this. So we're going to do the remote part first. So the procedure is manually turn this off to on 8 times. Door locks just cycled. Press the button. There we go. Clicks. Clicks. Let's try it. There we go. Now let's put this key in the ignition. Turn it on. You can see that the security light's on. The key has not been programmed. Go under Ford, USA, Vehicle, Freestyle, 05 to 06, Immobilizer. Keys on. Hats 3. Special functions. Add key. One token will be used. Yes, we're going to bypass the security. Alright. We're going to hit back. Key is stored. Press enter. Enter. And now we're going to go read the keypad. I'm going to go under Ford, USA, by system, remote, type 6. You can also go by the vehicle type. There's our master keypad number, 91317. Turn it off. Take the key out. I'm going to unplug. Security light's on. It's out. This car's just about dead. But it is programmed. That's all we need to do.